A grocer carries two types of frozen meals that have the fat and carbohydrate content shown in the table above. John wants to purchase a combination of the two types of meals with no more than 350 grams of fat, so we can say F is less than or equal to 350, and no more than 2,975 grams of carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are less than or equal to 2,975. If John purchases 10 Szechuan chicken meals, what is the greatest number of stir-fry meals he can purchase so that the combination will satisfy the requirements? All right, so let's look at this right here. So fat, we could say if stir-fry is denoted with S, and the Szechuan chicken is sorry, I wrote that on the wrong side. We could say Z. So Z equals the Szechuan chicken. Then our total fat is going to be 4 times the number of stir fries. So 4S plus the Szechuan chicken 5 times the number of them. So 5Z. And if that equals F, then we can just replace F there, F here, and we can say this total fat is less than or equal to 350. And we can apply the same logic to our carbohydrates. So if stir fry is 40 per stir fry and then 35 per Szechuan chicken, and we know it's less than 2,975. And now you should recognize this as a system of equations. But here's where it gets fun, is you know that you're purchasing 10 Szechuan chicken meals. So if Z equals 10, then we can just substitute 10 here, and we get 4S plus 5 times 10 is 50 is less than or equal to 350. And then 40S plus 35 times 10 is 350 is less than or equal to 2,975. Alright, so now we can kind of solve these and see what each equation gives us. So we're going to subtract minus 50 on both sides, so then we get 4S is less than or equal to 300, divide both sides by 4, 300 divided by 4, S is less than or equal to 75. So that's one of our restraints. So now we can look at our second equation, and we subtract 350 minus 350, so 2,975 minus 350. 40S is less than or equal to 2,625, and then we get S is less than or equal to 65 point, I don't know, okay, I'm just gonna put the point here because there's a recording thing, 625. But we can only buy whole, so here's the logic you need to apply now. So like if we had a number line and we have we have like 65 here and we have 75 here, well, like if you go over 65 and you go with like the 75, then your second equation won't work out. So we need to go with this oh my gosh, okay, this one is what we're gonna go with. So when we round this, it's gonna be 65. We need to round down so that we don't go over. If we go to 66, then again our second equation won't work out. So our answer is 65. If this were on a number line, you'd have like this and this, and it would be going that way. But we're gonna look at these equal to things to find our greatest number. Hopefully that made sense.